So I have finally got my backside into gear, and I have ordered some parcels from Ikea and from Amazon. I don't want to work in a warehouse anymore. I want to work in a nice studio where I can channel some of my creativity. So I've made a mental mock-up in my mind. So now we're going to put it into action. And just in case you're new here, my name is Hannah. I own the Little Isla Co, a craft supply business that specializes in sparkle. So if you would like to see me turn my office into a creative, pretty, lilac-y, sparkly studio, then please keep watching. So it had to be Ikea really for the basics, didn't it? So I actually wrote my husband in to build these for me, so I won't be unboxing them, but I will show you the finished result. So I've gone for 2 of these white desks. I believe they're called like lag parton or something. One of them comes with Alex drawers and one of them does not, but I put them in this kind of like L shape. I wanted to create like a corner desk situation. So the plan is that I will be sat here, so I'll have the Alex drawers to my left, and then I'll have the other side of the desk on my right. And then this is a Scadis pegboard. I have many of these, but I wanted one for my desk so I can use it to really prettily display all of my like accessories that would normally be everywhere. I end up with things on the floor, on the desk, just everywhere. So I thought this would be a nice aesthetic way to make it look pretty. So then these are the accessories that I got for it. So I got, I think 2 of these. These are just little white trays. I think I'll just use for like pens, things like that, just normal stationery. I don't know. So there's 2 of those. And then I got these little hooks. Right, these are driving me nuts. I had a very specific purpose for these in mind when I ordered them, and I cannot for the life of me remember why I bought them. Honestly, I feel like I'm going senile. So that's those. And then this is an iPad holder. So I'm going to put this at the edge of my desk to hold my iPad so that I can watch things like YouTube videos or movies whilst I'm working. And then this is just like a flat tray. It's just like a, similar to these, but flat and wide. And that, I think, is it for now. So yeah, the desk is looking really quite sad at the moment. It's just a plain empty desk. So I thought I'd bring you along with me to decorate it and make it look beautiful. Okay, well this has really annoyed me. I can't believe I didn't notice this the first time. Why have they done that? They've put the sticker of like the name and the order number right over the white tray. So how am I supposed to use that? Not cool, Ikea. Not cool. That is not aesthetically pleasing. I'm gonna have to give this maybe a wash in either boiling or like hot water, or maybe in some rubbing alcohol, and just see if I can get that off. And then I will put these onto the Scadis board. Oh my goodness, I am so happy with that. I don't know if you'll be able to tell in this light, but it is really purple. Maybe if I turn the lights off, I can show you better. Maybe now, does that look a bit more purple? Oh, I love it so much. I am not exaggerating when I tell you this is probably the favourite part of my unit ever. Right, I've just given these a little clean in some hot water. They're not perfect, but for now they will do. I can always tidy that up and clean them up later, but the hot tap in here is useless. So this is as good as it's gonna get. So let's get these onto the Skadis board. Also, I forgot to mention, I actually have the regular hooks that go onto the Skadis board, just the ones that, similar to the ones on my grid walls where I'd hang glitter from, but obviously smaller. And they were gonna go on there to use to put my mun bin stickers on, like my labels, like my thank you labels or my It's Purple Box Day labels, because at the moment they just kind of roll up in their normal rolls and they just don't look good, and they're really difficult to access because they just get squished up. So I thought if I was to hang them on the Skadis hook, like horizontally, they would be a lot more easily accessible. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyway, that was the plan, but I've left those hooks at home, so I'm gonna have to come back and put those on later. Honestly, I was not made for this sort of DIY. I can do DIY when it comes to creative stuff, but when it comes to this sort of like basic, just putting together an iPad holder, not my forte. Not my forte. Right, it's a moment of truth. Ooh. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. I swear to God, honestly. Right, let's try again. Yay! I mean, my iPad is dead as a dodo, it needs charging, but yay, at least it's fit for purpose. Okay, so here we go. Here's a little progress update. I've just had a bit of a brainwave. My goddaughter bought me this for my birthday, I think, and I've been sort of umming and ahhing about where to put it the whole time, but it's just so pretty and it's so me. Just look how beautiful that is. So I realised those teeny tiny hooks that I can no longer remember what I bought them for would be perfect for this. I'm just actually wondering, I don't want to break it. I don't know if I could maybe just, if I'm really careful, just twist it a couple of times. That's better. I am honestly loving life doing this. It's already starting to come together. I know there's not a lot on here at the moment, but the basics are in place. So the only thing left that I really want to get hold of is one of those like giant gamer mats. Do you know what I mean? That goes across the desk, like underneath your computer, like it's where you would put your keyboard and your mouse and stuff. I've got my eye on a few, but I don't know, I just haven't quite settled on any of them just yet. So that would go here, just like across this part of my desk, just to make it look all purpley pretty. It just makes a little difference, doesn't it? So yeah, I'll keep looking. It has to be lilac and it has to be giant, but really that's the only brief. So if you have any recommendations, please leave them for me in the comments. I only got 2 parcels from Amazon, so it's not really a haul, but I needed them both. So first up is this iPhone tripod. I already have an Amazon one for my camera, but I wanted another one so that I could film on both my camera and my phone at the same time. And it's just any option to save time is a winner in my eyes. So if I can film both social media content on my phone and content here on my camera at the same time from different angles, I'm all for it. Yeah, I would say this is pretty good. Feels sturdy, easy to use. So I think we're onto a winner with this one. And then the other parcel that I got from Amazon is another battery charger for my camera batteries, because So I already have this exact one, but the one that I have, I'm pretty sure I've got a duff one. Either that or it's just a useless item. But, oh, just poke myself in the eye. The reviews of the product were really good. It was like 99% 5 and 4 stars with the odd 1 star. But the 1 star one was like, I think I've got a duff one because it's not working. So I think that would be me. So if this one works and the other one doesn't, I will just keep this one, return the other one. And it's really good because it comes with 4 batteries. So it's got 3 charging docks. It comes with 4 batteries. I've obviously already got 4 of them from the other charger that I bought. Plus I've got my Sony battery that came with the camera. So this should be all I need. It's the moment of truth. Pray for me because I'm about to swap the chargers over and just pray that this works. I just don't get it. I do not get it. Because when I put the other 2 batteries in, it just went to fully charged. It was just showing that they were fully charged. But now I can't work out, is it because they are actually fully charged? Or is it because I've got another duff charger? The only reason I'm questioning that is because in the past, when I used the old charger and the batteries are showing us full, like all 3 batteries in the charger would be showing us full, I thought, oh great, I've got loads of fully charged batteries. So then the one that I was using would die, and then I changed it to one of the other ones that was supposedly fully charged, and that would die within 5 minutes because it obviously wasn't really fully charged. So I just don't get it. If anyone knows of a good battery charger for rechargeable batteries, specifically for Sony cameras, but I mean really any battery camera, I think, please let me know. Okay, sorry, we're still on battery gate. I've just switched out the battery that I was using, which I know was fully charged, to one of the new ones that is showing on my charger as fully charged, but I didn't believe that it was because in the past it had died so quickly. So I've just switched it out and I'm just going to record on it for a little while and see how long it lasts. Because now I'm confused and now I've got like a billion batteries and 2 battery chargers. I do feel like there is more that could be done, but for the most part I'm really happy with how this is starting to turn out. So yeah, that is my Amazon and Ikea haul for the time being. I'm loving how my new desk area is looking already. Let me know in the comments what you think I should add next. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.